Hey gang, I'm live once again. All right. So I figured, I was all about I was gonna let me change things up here. I was going to just, do things like all by myself with getting the gas and shit, but I was like, I gotta burn time, so might as well just do it while everybody's watching. All right, we're switching tripods here. All right, we're all set up now. Okay. Can y'all hear me good? I'm unable to do an audio test, with this thing and on the live stream. I can't. All I see is people are joining and stuff. So I don't know. There's a little bit of gas in there, but not quite enough, I don't think. I'm all out of gas, so that means I might have to rob some gas from other chainsaws. No, that ain't enough. That ain't enough. So let's rob some gas from another chainsaw. What do you say? No, there ain't none in there. I know where it's all at. It's in this guy. So, I guess I should keep talking here so that I can explain it to you guys. I'm not just making a live feed on TikTok. I'm making a live feed on TikTok because they're requiring me to do 3 live feeds, 25 minutes long each or more, before I can monetize my TikTok. So that's what I'm doing. Ugh. TikTok's got kind of weird rules with that, but I don't know. We're going to see how it goes. We're going to do the live feeds. We're going to monetize through TikTok. Maybe I'm going to be a social media millionaire. What do you think? I don't think so. So if you are just now checking in, you'll know that I just replaced the crank seals on this thing for no fucking reason. The whole time, the thing that was wrong with this was the impulse line just popped off. And I saw it as soon as I took the top cover off. As soon as, I'm like, oh my God, I'm such a dork. I'm pretty good at porting these things, but I'll tell you one thing. I am not any good at all at being a mechanic on them. There we go. We just pumped it up nice. Let's see if she fires up, and we'll take it out and Put it in the wood. All right, let's go cut some shit. What do you say? You wanna go cut some shit? What else do I need? Might need a little screwdriver to do some tuning. Might need a tack to see what RPMs it's running. If I remember right, before it was about 11,000 with the RPMs. I think it wasn't anything special. It was just about 11,000. But I did the timing advance, so it should pick up a little bit. Let's just go see. I'm gonna put my cool guy glasses on. Yeah. Donna. Donna, Donna. Donna, Donna. All right, I gotta flip the camera around. All right, that should do it. Here we go. You know what? What the fudge? Oh, I ain't turning shit. Can't do that with this saw. .6, that's the highest I've ever seen it rev. Pretty sure it's limited. good. 11,300, and I was actually putting pressure on it. Yeah, that's cutting pretty good. That's still 11,000, nothing special. See. That was 11.6. I'm going to richen it up just a little bit because I like to run it a little rich. That's pretty good, guys. There with light pressure, it was just kissing up right at about 12,000 RPM. So yeah, it's a little warm down here, not bad, but I'm going to go ahead. We ain't racing. We give it some more fuel. I don't need to prove anything to anybody. That's too much, clearly. Yeah, so we're right there at 11.9 to 12,000 RPMs whenever it's very light pressure. Whenever I put pressure on it, of course it goes down. But hell yeah, that's totally all right. That's a good little saw. Let's rip it up. I wish you guys could see this. Okay, so clearly it's not going to be good for ripping because it's just too much of it is getting clogged up in the clutch cover immediately. It's really sending it like crazy. good feeling. That's the whole break-in thing. It's cool, you know. This is gonna be one of my faves, I think. Let's see what it does with this big oak. Because why not? That's a 20-inch bar, by the way.